Hey divas, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Amanda Hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so I have went in and bleached the knots. I also did not pre-pluck it because the hairline looks pretty good, and I just sectioned off a little ponytail here because I want to do kind of like a center ponytail. I did wash her, and this is her completely dry. Let her dry for 2 days and she is all dry. So this is how her curls look when she just dries. The only thing that I put on her after I washed and conditioned her was this. This is the Aussie Miracle Curl. This is a curl refresher. It has coconut and Australia jojoba oil, and it has maximum hold. So that is pretty much just what's on this hair. This is a super lightweight spray, so that's why I enjoy using it. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys so you can see just how it looks after it's just been air dried. And they pre-plucked, like, this hairline looks so freaking good. Like, they pre-plucked it to perfection. So this is a really nice wig. Like, I like it. So this is what it looks like after, and this is just my ponytail, don't mind it, we're gonna fix it later. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this hair is just so freaking pretty. Like, I am in love with it. I cannot wait to wear it in a middle part because I know that would be pretty. But this is how it falls on me, so it's really nice. I love how full it is, and the curls are just to die for, like, so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in and tint the lace. I'm just gonna use the foundation that I'm gonna be using today, and that foundation is the MAC foundation. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it along the hairline first, and then I'll apply it to the rest of the wig. But today the hairline is most important because that's what's gonna be showing, since I'm gonna be wearing like kind of like a half up, half down. Okay, so off camera I cut the lace off after I tinted it, and this is what it looks like. So we need to lay it down. It is matching my skin really good, and it's gonna match even better after I do my makeup, but I need to like put it down with some hairspray. So I'm gonna be using my Got To Be hairspray to lay it down. Not gonna use the gel today. I have not been really liking the results I get when I use the gel lately. Like, I don't know if it's just me or what, but I've been just really loving the hairspray. Like, mainly I've been using these two, mainly this one though, because I love this one. Okay, so now that I have laid my wig, I am going to do my makeup, and I just tightened my ponytail a little bit so it could look a lot better. Even though it's kind of like blending in, but yeah, I still like it because the hair is like out of my face. But yeah, this is really pretty. I am loving this hair. I think this is like my favorite curly hair in a long time, like, because yeah, this is pretty. Okay divas, so here is my hair now that I have on my makeup and everything. I feel like this hairline is just so freaking flawless, and I love it. I know you probably noticed that I only laid this part. Well, actually, yeah, I laid from like here to here. But that's just how I like to lay my frontals, because I don't know, like I'm a person who really loves closures, and I feel like depending on the style, it's not gonna really matter. Most of the time I wear like a middle part, and even for a half up, half down, it doesn't really matter. So that's how I like to do it. Of course, you can go ahead and lay down the whole wig. But yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about this hair. So first of all, I want to say shout out to this hair company for sponsoring this video. And also, this is a Amazon gem, okay? I believe they probably have like their own, like they're not only on Amazon, but this particular video that's being sponsored is from a seller on Amazon. So I was like, shout out to them. I feel like I've been getting really lucky when it comes to like Amazon vendors and stuff. I've been getting some really good hair, so kudos to them for that. Today we have the 22-inch kinky curly hair, and it's just so, like, you guys see, it's just so beautiful. And I actually really love this 22-inch length. I feel like it is perfect. So yeah, and then also I really do love the lace. The lace is absolutely beautiful. The way that they pre-pluck it and everything, it looks very nice and natural, and it blends down right into the skin. And as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding and tangling. It was not anything that was like ridiculous. It was just normal for curly hair. With curly hair, you are going to experience shedding and tangling. I don't care if somebody tell you that they didn't get any shedding and tangling. They are lying, honey. This kinky texture curl especially, you are going to get some shedding and tangling, as you would get with your natural hair. Our natural hair sheds and tangles, and this is human hair, so it happens. But when it happens to the point where it's just too excessive, that's not good. But this just had normal shedding and tangling, and yeah, it's just really beautiful. The hair performed with very few products. All I did was wash and condition this hair, and then I also put this curl refresher on there, and I let it air dry, and this is the result. And I really love how beautiful the curls are. They are a little bit fluffy, but they still are very defined. I hope you guys can see on camera, but they are still very defined, although they are like dry and fluffy. You can always get the wet look if you do like that method, but for me, I love the way it looks in its natural fluffy state, because it just looks so natural, and the curls are just flawless. I just love it. So I definitely really do like this hair. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking, or if you have any questions or anything. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.